जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद जय प्रभुपदा जय प्रभुपदा जय प्रभुपदा शिल प्रभुपदा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा हरे नाम संकीर्तन महोत्सव की जय भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी शिल प्रभुपाद महाराज की जय निताई गौर प्रेमानंद हरि हरि बोल ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासां ततो जयमुदीरयेत् नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भावत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टुकी So Chaitanya Charitamrita, text 41 from Adi Lila, first chapter, entitled The Spiritual Masters. Text 41. Or I think I'll do the Mangala Charan also because no purports, so that quickly today we'll take a lot of slokas. ओम ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः श्री चैतन्य मनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकथा मह्यं ददाति सुपदान्तिकं वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरुं शतापथकमलं श्रीगुरुन् वैष्णवां च श्रीरूपं सागरजातं सहगणा रघुनाथं विद्युतं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादां सहगणा ललिता श्री विशाखान्वितां च हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपति गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते तप्ति कंचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी ब्रह्मानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयपताका स्वामीति नामिने। नमः आचार्यपादाय नित्याय कृपाप्रदायिने गौरकथा दामदाय नगरग्रामतारणे। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामीति नामिने। जय श्रील प्रभुपाद। So by the Anukampa, there are 9 graha. Have you ever seen? 9 grahas are there. Like Sani, Rahu, Ketu, Chandra, Surya. There is one more graha, which is the Anugraha of Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. So there are only 10 grahas. One graha of Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. So text 41. गदाधर पंडितादि प्रभुरेर निज शक्ति तान सवार चरणे मोर सहस्र प्रणनति। गदाधर पंडितादि प्रभुरेर निज शक्ति तान सवार चरणे मोर सहस्र प्रणनति। गदाधर पंडितादि प्रभुरेर निज शक्ति तान सवार चरणे मोर सहस्र प्रणनति। Synonym Gadadhara Panditadhi, headed by Gadadhara Pandit, Prabhura of the Supreme Lord, Nija Shakti, internal potency, Tan Savara of all of them, Charane, unto the lotus feet, Mora, mine, Sahasra, thousands, Prananati, respectful obeisances. Translation: I offer my respectful obeisances unto the internal potency of the Lord, of whom Sri Gadadhara Pandita is the foremost. So, the Gadadhara Pandita is actually Radharani, not in Bhava but in Swarupa. And there are so many temples in Mayapur, Chaitanya Gadadhara. And he says Shakti. Where is Shakti? Shakti. My Shakti, Nija Shakti, internal potency. Now, when Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came down, he brought all his Shaktis down for the well-being and welfare of the humanity at large. So simply by connecting to them, let us say in our home there is a wire, but if it is not connected to the generator, the light will not come. Now, generator light is everywhere. What we have to put? Just switch on. So as soon as we put our devotional switch on, we become Krishnized. We become a devotee. We act like a devotee. And then, ya Atma suprasidati. Then our Atma becomes very, very happy. As the other day we were saying, Evam prasanna manaso. The mana has to be prasanna. Otherwise, with a heavy heart, we may do things, but not of our liking. And by doing that thing which is not your liking, you get tired. But let us say, if a mother is carrying a child, well, he is not seen over here in the villages, for miles together, from left side to right side to left side to right side to shoulder and things like that, the mother never feels the burden. Mother never feels the burden. But if you take only a 2 kilo weight, it's very burdensome. So out of love, there is no burden. We are love Krishna, then the devotion is not a burden at all. Then we all can do the wonderful things. Once Somebody was asking water. My dear water, you differentiate. You are not Samadarsani. He said, what happened? He said, see, if we throw the stone in the water, it drowns. If we throw the nails, it drowns. But if we throw any wood, it floats. Isn't it a discrimination? The water replied very nicely. You see, this wood, I have nurtured the wood to make it grow. Now, when I make it grow, how can I make it drown? I will not let the wood drown. Because from these small seedlings, I make it a big, 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 big. Now, if it had fallen down, I will always throw him out, not in the water. If you see in the sea, every rubbish comes out. Doesn't it? So he says, I'm not differentiating, but this is mine, my product. So I'm supposed to say my product. So similarly, we are drowning in the material world. But if you go to the Shaktis like Gadadhar Pandita, Advaita Acharya, Srivasa Thakur, Nityananda Prabhu, or 6 Goswamis, Bande Rupa Sanatano Raghuyugo, Sri Jiva Gopalago. So they will save us, they will not let us drown. Because we are their product. And as wood is never drowned because wood is a product of the water, but stone is not the product of water. Iron is not the product of water. So water say, I'll save. Similarly, all the devotees, they will save us. Whether we like them or not. Whether we know about them or not. So this is the beauty. The devotee is always taken care of. Chipram bhavati dharmatma. Shashvat shantim nigacchati. Kaunteha pratijanihi namai bhakta praneshati. Beautiful, isn't it? Lord is there to help, but we are not taking the help. When you go to India, they say, policemen, we are there for your help, but nobody wants to take their help. So devotees are there. I'm ready to help, but he said, no, I don't need help. I can do on my own. And when we say I can do on my own, then the problem. The very low, old story I would have told you. In a Saket, Ayodhya Puri, Lord Rama was about to take his lunch. So Janaki ji brought the prasadam, and as soon as the Lord left, hurriedly without putting chappal. And within 1 second came back, oh, Janaki saw me. He said, Prabhu, I've got a question. What had happened? You are in very anxiety, you are very excited, you are perturbed, you are disturbed. What must have happened? Well, no, there was my devotee, he was calling my name, but then what happened? Well, no, then he has taken the law in his own hand. There is a dhobi. So they were fighting, and the dhobi got. So some of the dhopis were beating him. So when he was getting a hurt, he was saying, Hai Ram, Hey Ram, Hai Ram, Hey Ram. The Lord wanted to come to save him. But then he got a danda. He said, okay, now you come. So Krishna said, now you have taken the law in his own hand. I don't know anything. Similarly, if you don't surrender to the Vaishnavas, if you don't surrender to Krishna, or Vishnu Tattvas, or the Guru Parampara, nobody can save us and we don't have strength. I have only 2 hands. If 20 people come with the 20 hands, I can't really do anything, right? But Krishna can. He has millions of hands. So here, the Sakti of the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu or the Krishna is everywhere. We have to just go and take help. We are reading other in the Bhagavatam. Anybody who has a burden on the head, like turban or beautiful curly hairs and all, they cannot bow down. They cannot bow down because you will become disarray, whatever it is. And then Bhagavatam says, but if they cannot, the weight on the head, nobody can save them from drowning. So heavy, they will definitely go down, nobody save them. So we have to look for the help. No. I can see some of you have developed their own program, but some of not. So everyone, please uh, uh, invite the devotees in a different context. You don't have to only talk of Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita. Let us say what they are liking it. You just talk to them, be friend with them. And once you become be friend with them, then you can really do wonders. So it is must that we all give this mercy to others which we have got free. It's free. We have to give it. Don't become conjuice. Don't become greedy that I only know. No, you have to give it. So he's saying, my obeisances. No, actually, I was telling him one story for maybe yesterday. Did I tell that story?
Yesterday I was office.
So I told this story. Okay, let me tell this story. I'm talking of the internet potencies. Once in Banaras, there is a Brahmin. And Brahmin had a wife. They are living their life very nicely, but they were getting old. And they came to know they don't have any progeny. And when they don't have a progeny, who will do their Pitha Tarpan? Who will give them Sraddha ceremony? Who will try to elevate them from the Pitha Loka or the hellish condition of life? So they both were disturbed. Once some of the Brahmin visited them, Vaishnava visited them, and Vaishnava blessed them, remain, be happy in your life. And they left. Now these Brahmana are thinking, how can I be happy if you have no child? Without child, how can I be happy? So then Brahmani said, well, if these Vaishnavas had blessed, then why don't you go to the higher Vaishnava? Vaishnava naam hai tha Sambhu. Go to Sambhu and ask him, well, your people have blessed me, but I am disturbed. It's a good idea. So he went for the tapa nearby his home, and within a short period of time, Lord Shiva appeared. And when Lord Shiva appeared, Lord says, he offered obeisances, and Lord Shiva said, remain happy in your life. He started laughing. He said, my Lord Shiva, you also have Bhole Bhandari. How can I remain happy? I have no progeny. How? So what do you want? He said, I want putra. The Lord Shiva laughed at him. No problem. Now I have two choices. I can give you Suputra and I can give you Kuputra. I have two putras. He said, sir, what is the difference? Bola, Suputra will live very nicely for a short time. But Kuputra will live a long time but will give a lot of problem. So he said, no, I want Suputra. The Lord Shiva said, but his life is only 5 years. He said, no problem. You are thinking that 5 years? I'm so old, I'm going to die maybe within the next 2, 3, 4 days and a month. So once I die, I don't care what happened to the boy. At least he'll do my tarpan, whatever is possible. So by the will of the providence, he came home. The mother Brahmanis, he got pregnant, she delivered the boy. And boy was become the talk of the town. Like we have heard in the story of Chitraketu. Talk of the town. And everybody would come and embrace him and give offering things and like that. Brahmani was very, very happy. But the Brahmana started crying. Oh my God, he's 1 month old. Now 4 years and 11 months left. Oh, now he's 2 months old. 4 years and 10 months are left. And this way, he will keep crying but not telling his wife. Now, he's saying, he's thinking that either I should die or the boy has to be longevity of the life. Now, this way, though he had a progeny, fantastic progeny, but he started crying and crying and crying. You know what? We all have also everything possible. We still we cry the whole day and whole life we cry. Krishna has given us a nice body, nice mind, scripture and things like that. everything, progeny, bank balance, houses, good job, used to be cry, keep crying and crying. Unlike that Brahmana, he couldn't enjoy those happiness days. And so do we. We all have a problem. He did this, he did that. He did this, he did that. So in this process, 4 years and 7 months or 8 months are passed. Now he's becoming, he become like a crazy. He said, my God, what I'll do if my wife dies. And his wife asked him, tell me, we are such a nice son, great son, and people adore him, and people are bringing the gift and everything. I have got everything. Why are you sad? He said, oh, don't worry, don't worry. But then, once by the will of the providence, he found 7 Brahmanas walking in front of his house. What he did? He just came out of the house, fall flat like Dandavata, catching the dust of their feet, putting on their head, putting in his own head. And they all blessed him. Remain happy in your life. He said, oh boy, everybody is saying happy, but why am I not happy? Everybody is saying remain happy, why am I not happy? So he said, no sir, I am not happy. They said, what is the problem? So he told them everything, but please don't tell my wife, I have a son, now only he has 4 or 5 months to live. He's going to die, so how can I be happy? So these 7 sages were actually the 7 rishis. Saptarishi. They had come down for a pilgrimage, for sightseeing. Now they say, they converge in one another, they say what to do. Vidhata, whatever is written in the Bhagya, whatever is there, we can't change it, nothing could do. But at least how to make him happy? So they told Brahmana that, sir, I don't know whether you agree, your wife agree or not, but we have a solution. Donate that boy to us, we'll take care of him. Brahmana became very happy. Yes! Now in front of me, he'll not be in front of me, whatever happens to him, I don't care. He went home and tell his wife, see, in order to uphold dharma, we have to send our son as a sannyasi, so that he will do, he will become Prabhachakacharya, he will help the community at large. And Brahmani see God, yes, the purpose of life is to become a devotee. If my son could become a devotee with this sadhu, what is wrong in that? Say agreed. Now, only 3-4 months were left. These people had taken him, the boy, 4.5 years old boy, and they started teaching him what to do, what not to do. And boy also very happy, but they didn't tell him you have only short life to live. Now they are thinking, when almost maybe 1 month left, the rishi says, let us do one thing, no? We can go to Brahmaloka and ask Brahmaji who has written the fate. He can change the fate. What is wrong with him? He can change the fate. So God decided, let's go to Brahmaloka. So they took the boy also to Brahmaloka. See, nobody goes to all the Apani planted system with the same deha, but because of the mercy, because of the potency, internal potency, they took the boy also to the Brahmaloka. In Brahmaloka they met Brahmaji, but Brahmaji had thousands and thousands of visitors. They are waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. Now only 2 days left for his death. They told Brahmaji. Brahmaji heard it. They said, oh my God, only 2 days. What happened? They tell him all his story. And then Brahmaji said, you know this Shiva? Actually he's a lunatic. Why he wants to give like that? He's always put the people in the problem. Whether it's going to Bhanasura, Bhasmasura and things like that, always the problem. What is with this? Let's go to him. Let's fight with him. So the Saptarishis and Brahmaji with the boy, they went to Kailasa. In the Kailasa, they had an audience. And Lord Shiva says, okay, I made a mistake. I understand. Don't shout at me. I made a mistake. You leave the boy or you all go. So these Saptarishis and Brahma became very happy. Our burden is gone. Now let him do what he has to do. We have nothing to do. So Saptarishis became very happy. Our burden is gone. Brahma became very happy. You take care. He went. Now, next day, when 2 days are left, the second day in the evening, Shiva was in meditation, thinking of Lord Sri Rama. And all of a sudden he could see some sound. And he could see Yamaraja. And Yamaraja has come. And he knows over his the neck of the boy. And when the boy started crying, Lord Shiva opened his eyes. And he looked at Shiva. Yama. He said, who are you? He said, I'm Yama. Why you have come over here in Kailasa? Well, this boy, he has only 5 years. You only have given 5 years. Well, I given 5 years. You should not take my permission. You say, what permission? It's already written. We don't take permission because we already have that, what do you call, summon. What do you call summon? I don't know what you call summon in
Bulawa.
No.
Bulawa. English में?
Summon is, when the court said the summon, that you appear. That summon, I don't know what it's called. So he said, but sir, we have this agent. He said, no. Just tell me what I told him. Well, sir, 5 years. And to the last day, last moment. Yes, I said 5 years.
Ardent call.
No.
Ardent call.
He said, then what? He said, just tell me, how many Brahmas are changes in my life in one day? Yama replied, sir, only 10 Brahmas change in your one day. Okay. How many Yamas are changes in my one day? He said, sir, 1,000. He said, so I gave the boy 5 years. It was my 5 years, not your 5 years. My 5 years, not your 5 years. You fool. You don't know how to behave, how to understand. And you know who that boy was? That boy became a Markandeya Rishi, who lived beyond the life of Brahmaji.
सबसे बड़े सुपुत्र दुनिया के सबसे
Now what I am saying, internal potency, they can do wonderful things. You may not even understand, you may not even comprehend, you may not even put a logic how it has happened. They can do unimaginable things. So he says, I offer my respectful obeisances to the people who are heading by Gadadhara Prabhu the foremost. So what it says, that if we are depending upon ourselves and our bank balance, then for sure there will be a problem. But if we don't depend upon ourselves, we depend upon Krishna, then Krishna will take care. And he always takes care. He says, lovely sloka on Bhagavad Gita. Okay, I forgot the sloka. Mohitam na janami, mam ebe paramabhayam. By having delusion and illusion, they do not know me who I am. I am the protector. I am the originator, I am the annihilator. I am the supplier. And I do everything for you. And you still don't take care of me. So these are the ways that we have to understand how lucky we are following the footsteps of Srila Prabhupada, investing our valuable time in understanding the transcendental knowledge and transcendental activities of the Lord and His devotees. It's not easy. It's not all of a sudden that we have become a devotee. Aneka janma samsiddhim Srimad Bhagavatam lavet. Aneka janma. I don't know how many years we have passed on by accumulating little Sukriti here, little Sukriti there, little Sukriti here, little Sukriti there, and we have come to this platform that we have met Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. So this is the potency of the Vaishnavas. We may not know. But even if you do not know, potency is still there. We can get the favor from them. We can learn a lot of things. And one thing we can definitely learn, how to love God. And once we have started loving God, then marna sab kare, marna na jane koi. Marna sab kare, marna na jane koi. मरना हो तो ऐसे मरे, फिर ना मरना होए, फिर ना मरना होए. So we all have to go. But let us make sure that we die in a way that we don't have to take birth again, that we don't die again. This is called art of devotion. And we all can do it. But the word says, now there are hundreds and thousands of Vaishnavas all around. You simply have to have a faith on them, that's it. If I have faith on them, everything will go right. So with this, I'll come to the conclusion. I think already time passes by. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to be with you. Sorry, no time for question answer, but you can ask among yourself and you can really do something.
That's right. Before you log off,
Yeah.
1 second, one more co-host, just in case my phone dies.
Huh?
Just in case my phone also dies. Okay, that's it. Okay.
Okay, Hare Krishna, I'm
End
logging off.
session.
I'll go.